Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today we'll take you through how to program your brand new ET DC Blue Advanced motor. Let's get into it. So after you've installed your garage door opener, there's a couple of things you need to take care of. The first thing would be to do the limit setup. So let's get straight to that. Make sure the door is closed and in the locked position, meaning the manual release has been locked in place. Press and hold the set button to go into programming. To indicate with a P, you're gonna go up to L for limit setup. Press the set to go into the menu. Now it's gonna tell you to open the door, so little O for open. You're gonna go up and you're gonna press and hold on the up button. You will see the door will lift up. And you're gonna lift the door until it is level if it's a tip-up door, or until it reaches the end if it's a sectional door. If you're not sure, you can let go of the button before it gets to the end, and you can still adjust up or down until you are happy. Once you are happy with the full open position, you're gonna press the set button to confirm. It's now gonna give you a little C, meaning you need to close the door. So you're gonna press and hold the down button. Once you reach the desired close position, you're going to let go of the button. You can let go of the button before the time and you can still adjust. So if you are happy with the close position, you're going to press the set button to confirm. The door is now going to go up into the full open position. It will then stop and close automatically to the close position. It will beep once done and go back to programming. If you're happy with the setup, you're going to press exit. If for some reason your door is very heavy and you have some resistance along the travel of the door, you can change the force settings. I'll take you through that now. Press and hold set to go into programming. From P, you're going to go up to F for force. Set to confirm. By default it's set to 3. If you turn the number up, it will take more resistance to stop the door and tell you there's a collision. So we're gonna press set to confirm. The only problem with turning the force sensitivity up is that it will take more force before the door stops and backs off. This can cause damage to either a vehicle, a bicycle, or something that's obstructing the way of the motor. To get into the programming of the remotes, you're gonna press and hold the set button. In programming, you can go up to little r for receiver. You're gonna go set to confirm. It's gonna ask you button trigger or light trigger. So we're first gonna do the button trigger, which is little b. You're gonna press the set button to confirm, and thereafter you're gonna press the button that you want to program. Number 1 indicates a successful adding of a button. Now we're going to do the light function. So you go up to L. Once again, set to go in and press the button to confirm. Number 1 indicates a successful learn of the button. You're going to go exit. Exit again to standby mode. Let's test the light button. Turns the light on, turns the light off. Let's test the button trigger. Check it again. If you want to add more remotes, there's also a quick learn function. You're gonna press and hold the up button. It's gonna go straight to button trigger. Press set and then the button that you want to program right after. You will see number 1 confirm successful learn of the button. If for some reason you found that one of your buttons has been coded incorrectly, I'll take you through how to erase that button now. Press and hold set to go into programming. You're gonna go up to little r for receiver. Set to confirm. You're gonna go up to big C, and that will be to clear transmitter. You're gonna press and hold the button you want to clear and press the set button to confirm. Alright, The number says 0 and 1 beep, which means the button has been erased. Let's test the button. So we're going to go out of programming. So this used to be a light button. So if we press the button now, it does nothing. So the button has been erased. Now you can program that button to the correct function. If you've made a mistake with a couple of remotes and you can't remember what button goes where, you'll have to master erase the receiver. I'll take you through the process now. You're going to press and hold set to go into programming. You're going to scroll up to little r for receiver programming. You're going to go set to confirm. You're going to go up to capital E for master erase. So with this method, you're going to press and hold the set button. And while pressing and holding the set button, you're going to press the up button and release. And that is the method of master erasing. So press and hold set, and then you're going to press the up and you hold on to the set until the master erase function is finished. Okay, you can now let go of the button. And now if we exit, we can test any of the buttons that was previously programmed. So you can see, not functioning anymore. If you want the door to auto close, you have to have a set of safety beams. I'll take you through the process. Press and hold the set button. You're first going to enable the safety beams, which is little b. You see it's currently to 0, you'll change it to 1. Set to confirm. Now you're going to go to capital A for auto close. You're going to go set. Currently set to 0. If we go up to 1, that's 10 seconds. 2 is 20 seconds. 3, 30 seconds. So we'll set ours to 10 seconds, which is 1. Set to confirm. So now after you've exited the garage and you've passed the safety beams, after 10 seconds, the garage door will auto close. There's one more function that I'm going to take you through, and that is to holiday lock the motor in case you go away for the weekend or on a holiday. For that, you'll have to have a light button, meaning if you press the button, the courtesy light turns on. Before we go through the process, I will tell you what's going to happen. You're going to press and hold the light function button. The control card is going to give a long beep, and once it gives a long beep, you're going to have to press the button trigger or full open button. It will display a H and then indicate that it's being holiday locked. So let's go through that process quickly. So now any remote that is programmed won't open the door because the door is in holiday lock. If you are on the inside of the door and you press on your remote and you see this capital H with a flashing light, you'll have to take the door out of holiday lock. Same procedure. Press and hold your light function button, and then the control card will give you a long beep. When the control card gives a beep, you have to press the button trigger button, and then the door will open and go out of holiday lock. Let's go through that process. And the door will open. Now the door is back to normal functioning.